Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to trim a video on CapCut. Now, it's really simple. You're just going to click here on the import. You can't see right now, but I'm actually retrieving files. The screen record is not allowing to record the actual folder that I'm opening here. So just drag it here, the video that you wish to trim. You could absolutely adjust it here, by the way. Just click plus and minus to reduce that. Here's this cursor that I'm dragging, this stick thing. Place it on wherever surface that you'd like to do the cropping with or the cutting with. See, and this one, let's go back. Just click this one and it'll cut it all the way on the side. There's 3 of them. Okay, so once you click the last one, it actually splits the middle. There you go. Now you have 2 separate videos. So there's 3 options. So I hope this video is educational and of any help for you guys. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.